Okay, in the event that you run the engine completely out of fuel, we've already gone through bleeding the fuel filter system up to the fuel injection pump. For the fuel injection pump, if you run it completely out, these lines no longer have fuel in them. The way to get the fuel back into these lines and purge them is by using a 17mm wrench, cracking this top nut here, and you don't have to take it off, just crack it loosely. It is a ball and socket type fitting, so just taking the pressure off it will allow the air to escape. Once that's open, you'll crank the engine and wait until you get fuel coming up, and you'll see air and foam coming out of it. Once you get a reasonable amount of fuel out while the engine is still cranking, tighten this nut back down. If the engine doesn't want to start, and please note, we started at cylinder number 3, furthest away from the radiator, closest to the hydraulic drive, the 3rd cylinder. If the engine doesn't start in the event of cracking that injector, you would next go to injector number 2, repeat the process on injector number 2. Retighten while cranking, and the engine should take off and start running at this point. It'll run extremely rough and may smoke quite a bit and everything. It's okay, just let it go and it'll find its own way. If indeed it's totally dry, you may have to do injection line number 1. More often than not, you don't have to do number 1, but you'd follow the same process here.